Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. I just wanted to show you real quick, I have 8 solar panels now, and the wind has been going 2 to 9 miles an hour lately. When I move, hopefully I won't have a house in the way of the wind generators, but it's at the voltage on the off-grid in the basement is now 13.8, and I left the inverter on all day and night. But you don't use a lot of electricity, but sometimes on a good sunny day, I have 14 volts by now. I have a lot more once the neighbor cuts this tree down. But maybe I'll find a home soon, and we'll go from there. All right, click on subscribe, click that little bell, and you'll get to see when I add the 9th and 10th, 15th solar panel, because I have 21. All right, subscribe, click that bell, and I'll see you again on the next video.